Hello everyone, this is Monica from Yehai Laser China. Today I will introduce a laser cutting tube machine to you. This machine is a 3000 watts laser cutting machine with 2 chucks, and the diameter is 240 millimeters. We can support customize the length and diameter, such as 6 meters and 9 meters of the length. The configurations is Recurse laser generator, step-cut control system, and Ritos laser cutting head, Yaskawa servomotor, and this machine equipped with variety diameter wires to support the pipe material. You can see that the dose is very smooth. So when you operate this machine, it will be very convenient. Okay, so if you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact with us. I will give you the detailed parameter and price. This is Monica from Yehai Laser. Okay, bye-bye, thank you.